Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Beko ETC611W freestanding cooker. What I want to do today is show you around the cooker some of the features and benefits that it offers. First of all, I'll show you the dimensions on the cooker. So the width of it, you're looking at just under 60 centimetres. So although it is classed as a 60 centimetre cooker, the actual width of it is slightly less. You're actually looking around 59.5 centimetres or around 23.25 inches. The depth, so front to back, if you're just going to the front lip here, you're looking at basically 60 centimetres or 23.5 inches. Or if you want to include the handles at the front, because they protrude quite a bit, then really you're looking at 65 centimetres or around 25.5 inches. And the height of it, so from the floor, 90 centimetres or around 35.5 inches. So when you're looking to purchase a cooker, don't assume that all cookers are the same size. It's mainly the width that would vary. Most freestanding cookers would be either 50, 55 or 60 centimetres in width. That's the main thing that varies. Things like the depth and the height tend to be pretty standard, but just make sure before you buy a cooker that you get the right size. On top here you've got a 4-zone rapid light ceramic hob, and basically what that means is that each of the rings on top will heat up very quickly. The other advantage of being a ceramic top is it's nice and easy to keep clean. What you'll find is if you do have a spillage when you're cooking, which does happen, then once it's cooled down, just give it a wipe and a clean over, then you'll be back to looking like this. And to control each ring, you just got a dial here. So depending on which ring you wanted to heat up, you've just got a little indicator there. So that's the back right, then front right, front left, and then rear left. And on the other side, you'll notice that the two dials here are different. The top one, so this is for the top cavity, this is the grill. So it isn't an oven, it's only a grill. And from that, so it just goes up from 1 to 6, and all you need to do is select that, and then the grill will activate. So that's, I suppose the grill's good if you've got things like a toast, or if you just wanted to, say, brown something on top. If you've made something like a lasagna and just wanted to get a nice crispy top, then the grill is the ideal one to use. Or the other control dial is for the oven. That's the main cavity at the bottom. With this one, this goes from 100 degrees centigrade all the way up to around 250. So as far as the temperature range is, I suppose, as good as you'd want it. All of these dials can come off. So if you wanted to remove them, then you can just take them off like that. Either if you needed to replace them, or if you just wanted to clean behind them. Because over the time, what you can find is if you are moving the dials around like this, then you can find, so that's how some people handle them. Over the time, some of these can rub off. So it's nice to know that you can take all of them off to clean or replace them if need be. Inside the grill cavity, you'll notice that you've got two shelves. So you can take these out if you wanted to. So if what you're putting in here was, say, a larger dish, then you can take one of them out just to allow you extra space. When it comes to cleaning the glass on the door, you have got the ability to unscrew this at the top, remove the glass, and then give it a good clean, either popping it in the dishwasher or just washing it in hot soapy water. As far as the main oven, this model has a 69 litre capacity for the main oven, so plenty of room in there to get your food cooking. You'll also notice that we can send the door quite a way back, so plenty of space for taking the trays in and out. Also, when it comes to cleaning the glass in the door, again, you've got a couple of screws here that you can just remove, take that top part off, and then remove the glass to keep that nice and clean. Also, you do get a pan in here. So although this has got some foam in the top, that's just for transit purposes. But you do get a shelf at the bottom here as well. You'll see at the back of the oven, there's a fan there, so that will rotate when it's cooking. The main advantage of fan assisted cooking is it's a lot more even cooking around the 69 litre capacity oven. So it doesn't matter whether it's towards the top or towards the bottom, then hopefully the cooking should be quite even. Also, you've got a light at the back there. I'll just show you that. So when it comes to changing the bulb in there, that should be quite easy. Just unscrew it, replace it, and then put the cover back on. Now, a common question we get asked when people are purchasing a cooker like this is, can you keep your old racks or tray? Because sometimes people have had a tray for years, they really like it because it's, say, a non-stick one, and rather than just throwing it away when you buy a new cooker, then sometimes people want to try and use it on their new one. So I'm just going to show you the measurement of it. So as far as the width of the shelf, because this is really where it will be located, it's around 46.5 centimetres or just under 18.5 inches. Another feature that I love about this oven is that the seal on here is easily replaceable. What you'll find over the years, the seal around, I suppose, any oven door, doesn't matter which brand it is, so a seal around any oven door can wear out and it can get a little bit thinner, and all you'll find is if heat is escaping by having a poor seal, then that will have quite a detriment on the cooking ability. So all I'd normally say is perhaps every 3 or 4 years, just replace the seal. That's easily done. It's just basically 4 clips on, so you've got 1 clip on each corner, that will just lift off, and then all you need to do is just pop the new one on, then you're ready to go. Just show you around the back of the cooker. Not a huge amount to talk about, but I just wanted to show you where you connect it up. It's just behind this plastic casing here. I only show people that because sometimes it could make the difference as to which cooker you purchase depending on where that's located. Just quickly show you the energy label on here. You'll see that for the main oven it's classed as an A rating, which is actually pretty good. That's probably on par with a lot of other brands. Also just proving that it's a 69 litre capacity. If you're thinking of purchasing one of these models, I've provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Beko ETC611 freestanding cooker. Would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click subscribe, leave any comments below. I always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad, about the video, whether I could have done something different or extra. I know I've not given you a demonstration of it, but I've not really got the facility here to get it connected in my showroom to give you a demonstration of it. But all I want to do was to go through some of the basic features and benefits that it offers. So if you're thinking of purchasing this, then it might make that little bit of a difference to hopefully encourage you to do that. Anyway, thanks for joining me today.